Hi, here with me I have a 50-foot gardening hose by Thxever US. That is Thxever space US. Now, the gardening hose itself, this whole bundle is very lightweight. Despite being 50 feet long, it is surrounded by a rope type of material, so it can withstand any sharp objects that might come its way. It has a plastic guard here towards the spout, as well as a metal tightening knob that can secure the actual hose spout itself. And then same goes for the other side as well. You just twist on the end here, just like that, and then you can spray it. The hose comes in many different settings, and it is pretty firm when you turn it around, but nothing too crazy. You have full, center, half vert, mist, angle, soaker, jet, cone, shower, flat, full, and then center back again, and so on and so forth. The rope itself is very flexible and bounces back pretty quickly if it tries to get all kinked up. All right. And then it also comes with just some silicone washers as well that you can put onto the end of the hose as well. Alrighty. This was given to us as a sample. Okay, bye.